shine.
ADC.
Well, distinguished delegates, my countrymen, we are in very interesting times in Nigeria today, where pseudo-democrats found their way to power, and they are today manifestly exposing themselves. My appeal is not to the members of the ADC for now, but to those who are living and heading our institutions, particularly and of very, very concern to me, the judiciary. Let me remind those of you who are living today of Justice Eheme that was used to truncate June 12th. Let no judge or let no judge or justice allow himself or let himself to be used to destroy Nigeria. History is taking note of our roles as individuals. Our children and grandchildren are looking up to us to serve this country. And those of you that are in privileged positions should be accountable and bear in mind that wherever you are writing your judgments or rulings, even if there is no any individual by your side, God Almighty is watching over you. And God Almighty will be the ultimate judge on the day of judgment. So be wary of those individuals or people that will be talking to you to influence you to undermine our judicial system and undermine our country and undermine democracy. The next set of people I will appeal to are the people seated here. When we started, it's not possible, they cannot come together. Today in this hall, Vice President Tambuwal is seated. Today in this hall, Peter Obi is seated. Today in this hall, Kwankwaso is seated, and Governor Prof.Mgbeke is also seated, and many other leaders. It is about unity of purpose and vision for this country. It is not about an individual. It is about our vision and collective desire to rescue Nigeria. No sacrifice will be too great. When that time comes, all of you, our leaders, will speak to you as your children, will speak to you as your brothers, will speak to you as co-travelers, that it is about this country and not about an individual's ambition. We must all work together towards a common mission of rescuing this country. And ADC is that platform. We must therefore work towards preserving the unity of this platform and working towards ensuring that we achieve that objective. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Thank you.